Hello everybody, welcome back to the Tradesman Channel. My name is Jim if you're new here, and we are finally getting back to some house projects after working on the road pretty steady since summer. So upload's been terribly slow. It's been almost a month since I put one out, and the last one was a BS video of me going down the road. And I swore to myself I'd never do that kind of thing to keep things going, but sometimes a man does what a man has to do, and that's what I did. So anyway, we have not been in this room working in close to a month. We haven't done anything in here since the last video we did. So we're getting some more wallboard on tonight. Going to get as far as we can with the time we have. So without further ado, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the other side of it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I tell you what, it felt pretty damn good to get out here and get something done tonight. It has been a long time. It's like I get withdrawals if I'm out of this building for too long. And then what happens, the creative process just stops flowing. It's a weird dynamic I have with this project. I mean, I started this building 5 or 6 years ago. It's gonna be a lifelong process to get it to where I want, which that's okay by me. It always gives me something to do. I'm the kind of person who needs to keep my mind busy all the time. So these projects like this, they're nice. I will never be finished with this building. I will probably never be totally finished with anything because there's always something I can do to finish it a little more or make it a little better. But, some people can't deal with that very well. I've come to a point in life where I embrace it. So sometimes I look forward to those marathon projects. Gives me an excuse to keep doing something, keep thinking about something, and it keeps me sane. But I honestly did not think that this little 12 by 28 room was going to take the entire winter to get done. So I'd like to send a thanks out to my service manager, who's been kind enough to have me working out of town a ton for bringing this winter's long project. Just kidding, Mike. We like you just fine. In case he sees this, I don't want to get in trouble at work, but so yeah, hopefully I'm hoping the out of town stuff's slowing down a little bit. I've been saying that for the last 4 months. I hope that the out of town stuff is slowing down. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what develops. But got another wall just about finished. We've got some window trim to do. I'm debating on what I want to do with that. A couple ideas, but you guys will see. Now the furnace is actually going to get a box built around it in the form of a window bench. We'll probably do a black cherry top or a black walnut top. I haven't decided which yet. For it, put a couple shelf spaces in it, but we're also going to be running our ductwork inside that. So what's going to happen is out of each end of the bench, you're going to have a supply blown out of it. And then somewhere near the center of the bench, you're going to have another supply blowing out of it. And what that's going to do, it's just going to heat the room much more evenly. It does run quite a bit right now, but I still have plenty of insulation I have to put in the floor still. And obviously there's plenty of sealing up left to do. But definitely not nearly as much as when we started. And it's awful nice to have a room that I can maintain about 70 in here while I'm working without any issues. That is awful nice. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's about 1:30 in the morning here right now. I'm going to go and edit this thing, and I'm going to carry my ass to bed. And I will see you on the next one. Hopefully it's a little bit quicker than this one was. So take it easy, everybody. I'll see you next time.